Hi, this is Reese from CreataCRM, and this is the video for Myob and marketing and how it works together. There's a lot of benefits for creators, especially when we get the buyer behavior, which is all the items the sales items that the client has purchases. We can review that and then group them up on their buys. The items that they have purchased, you can actually create tags from them. So we'll show you how that looks like. So first, what we're going to do is create a tag. So we click on the CRM drop-down menu here and click on the plus button here. Now we put the name in, and we're just going to have, we're using the default database from Myob, which it has Clear Waters, which is a water filtration company. So we're going to create a tag which group them up into the coolers that they have, and there's a number of product items in that item that people have purchased, and we'll show you how it looks. So we create coolers is the name of the actual tag. We're going to change the color of it just for the heck of it and make a Myob color purple in there, so you can change the color of it. We're going to want it to be in the list view as well, so when you look it up you can actually look at the list. So you do some tags you don't need to have it in the list view, and you can have an icon here as a drop down menu. We're going to have a glass, which is a cooler. So have a view on that. And then the next thing we're going to do is just simply go to the criteria tag, click on the modified criteria, and we'll click on the buyer behavior section here. And that will give you all the product items that's been synced from Myob to our system. And then we're going to type in coolers, for example. We're going to do the filter, large filter. We're going to have any services that people have had on coolers, which is 1 month rental, and a medium cooler as well. So we're going to apply that here. So we're going to add to that. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to, things you've got to do is you've got to make sure you have a dynamic remove and add. So if anyone doesn't, just got a refund, we'll take it off the actual item, but surely probably the remove doesn't really matter for this particular case. On some it does, but the criteria would be if it doesn't auto add. So pretty much if anyone who buys the product, it will then add them automatically to the group. So that helps you just dynamically creating the groups without you doing anything, and that's going to save you a lot of time to do that, especially with the marketing team as well. So we're just going to apply that. It does run once a day, but we're going to just run it right now. There's probably a good chance to see if your criteria works, and there it is. For this occasion, there is 9 customers that are in the actual list here. So what we do is that one of the first videos you're going to look at is why you would use a CRM, because for example, AB Enterprises probably only has 1 customer, the person who's probably the accounts payable. This one here, you can bring in the manager, the sales manager, the technical manager, the field staff, any other person that's relating to AB Enterprise. And therefore, they will be grouped into the category coolers for the marketing campaign because they are linked to that organization. So that really helps you group them up. So we also have with the linkage of marketing in here is regions. So we have a CRM drop-down menu. It's going to move my little head. And we're going to click on regions. So for example, we can scan your database and bring your regions across. So what that looks like here, if we create a campaign, so I'm just really going to roughly do this because it is an overview. You click on a new campaign, call it test campaign, okay, and we're going to add contacts in this section here. So we're going to add the contacts into the section. And what we want to do is that we've already predefined the tag, so we click on the tag that we've already created, and we choose callers. So pretty much what that means is that if anyone who's purchased these products will be added to that campaign. That is really what you're probably buying this product for if you want to link to marketing. It's just don't need to have huge amount of hassles of creating the campaigns. You just want to make it work, and that's all it is really. Other things like this, we have other conditions you can do and add regions in here. For example, I can say or, for example, I'm just going to apply that, apologize. There's 9 in there, and or regions that are New South Wales. Okay, so that will add that 9 and make a 3. There was 4, but there was 1 that's in both those groups in New South Wales. So that's added the callers, anyone who's brought callers, and anyone regions in New South Wales. Save this this particular look up, for example, and call it New South Wales dash coolers. I know it's not quite right, but it means that, for example, you can just load up another, for example, New South Wales cooler really quickly here. So you can actually, in your marketing campaigns, make some real complex criterias, and then you can just simply load those criterias back up into the system. So the great thing with Creator is that it's with the integration with Myob, it's great. It's now going to get your buyer behavior that you can look up really quickly, and also all the regions as well. So so look at the other videos. There's a heap of videos online that explains those particular features. But hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.